Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, make you learn about the canvas in Gemini. So a Gemini canvas is an interactive side-by-side workspace within the Gemini app or web interface, which is designed for collaborative creation rather than just chat. It allows users to write, edit, and code projects such as documents, apps, or infographics in real time, providing tools to refine tone, layout, and structure. So let me show you how you can create your own canvas and where to start. So first log into the gemini.google.com and type and start a new chat. Once you started a new chat, you can go to the prompt bar, and in the prompt bar click onto the tools option, and from here choose the second option, that is canvas. So in the canvas you can create anything. So for example, create me a sample resume with sample fields. Then once you are done with this, simply choose the best model that works for you and then hit the send command. I have chosen the pro model because it delivers better output at the cost of a little more processing time, but it is worth it because it definitely makes better decisions and the answer remains consistent throughout the memory of the chat as well. So now here you can see that it has started generating the same, and now you can see that this particular slide that we can see over this section is the Gemini canvas. And the interesting thing about this is that it has created me a particular resume, but if I wish I can edit it right from here as well. So I can edit it as per my need, and also I can download this particular option by clicking onto this print option or share it as well. I can also insert equations and text as well, and also the headings, or if I want to make some more complex changes I can simply ask Gemini and it will do those changes over here in this particular canvas. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.